Hellos and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video I'm here trying to bake a banana cake. I just felt like I missing cake and I decided well, let me look up a recipe. So I looked up a recipe and here I am baking a banana cake for the first time. This is 3 bananas and then I blended them with a 1/3 cup of sugar because I wanted the mixture to be soft. And then these are 2 eggs that I've just beaten, and we'll add this is oil, it's 1/2 cup in the mixture, and then this is 1/3 of milk. I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then the mixture really looks nice. See, really nice. So I've mixed here 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, baking soda and baking powder. Yes, I'm going to put 1.5 cups of flour. The mixture is almost ready, and we have this is a Sufuria. We don't have baking pan, so I'm not letting that stop me. So we have put oil on it and then sprinkled some flour, and then now we're gonna pour the mixture. Guys, here is our cake. Did I mention we had to cook with the jiko? We want to check and see how is it. It's dry. Yes, we just give it a few minutes. Yes. So how long have we been cooking it?
For 40 minutes.
That was 40 minutes. So we'll just give it a few, but it's brown, so we're happy. So now we're gonna check the readiness of the cake. Okay. Let's see. That's how it looks at the bottom. Yes. Let's zoom out and let's see. Here's the knife. Do you have a fork? So it really cooked well. After cooking with a jiko, we are really okay. Let's cut. Ooh, that's like sitting spongy nicely. It cooked well. Nice. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Let's zoom closer. Yes, okay. It is too hot, so but this is the cake. It has really cooked well. I'm so proud of myself. Well, it was a joint effort, my brother and I. So let's see. So look, so spongy. How are you liking it? This is good work. So the lesson learned here, whether you have baking tins, anything, we were not well prepared. As I said, we don't bake a lot. So, but with the little resources that we have, with that jiko, we don't have an oven yet. But it turned out well. We did not let that discourage us. Even like I showed you, we don't even have baking tins. Yeah, but we did not let that stop us. The cake is good. You're going to enjoy it. So no matter how much resources you have, even if they're so limited, you can still achieve a very good result. Go ahead and do what you can do with what you have. God bless and see you in my next video.